Hey everybody, welcome to my English podcast. You can use this video to train your listening and comprehension as I speak. Whether you're practicing during the day, listening before you sleep, while you clean, or even while you get ready, brush your teeth, or brush your hair. Listen whenever it works for you. You ready? Let's get started. Today, I'm going to talk about language learning. If you are watching this video, you are probably learning English. So I think this topic will be interesting and helpful for you. Learning a new language is not easy. It takes time. It takes effort. It takes practice. You need to study a lot. You need to practice many times. This is the most important thing about learning a language. You must spend time. If you don't spend time studying and practicing English, you will not improve. You will not learn. So remember, learning a language takes time. Be patient. Keep going. I am a language teacher. I teach English, but I am also a language learner. I also learn new languages. Why? Because I enjoy it. It's fun for me. I love learning about other people and other cultures. And the best part, I can talk to people from many countries. When you learn another language, you can meet new people. You can make new friends. You can talk to people from around the world. This is amazing. But let me be honest with you. Language learning is not always fun. Sometimes it is difficult. Sometimes I feel sad. Sometimes I feel frustrated. Why? Because I don't understand everything. Because I make mistakes. Because I feel nervous. Yes, I feel nervous when I speak in another language. This is normal. This is okay. You might feel the same. Maybe you feel shy or scared when you speak English. Don't worry. This is normal. Many people feel like this. Even language teachers. Sometimes I make big mistakes when I speak in another language. I say the wrong word. I use the wrong grammar. My pronunciation is not perfect. But guess what? This is part of learning. Everyone makes mistakes. If you never make mistakes, you will not learn. To improve, you need to make mistakes. To get better, you need to practice. You need to speak. You need to try. And most importantly, you need to have fun. So, don't worry about your mistakes. Don't be afraid. Enjoy English. Have fun with English. If you don't have fun, it will be harder to learn. Now, let me give you some easy tips to make English more fun. Tip number 1, read books in English that you enjoy. Don't read boring books. Read books that are interesting for you. If you like sports, read English books about sports. If you like animals, read books about animals. If you like technology, read books about new inventions or science. I love reading fiction. Fiction means stories that are not real. I read fiction books in other languages. This helps me enjoy reading and learn at the same time. Tip number 2, watch videos in English about topics you like. For example, if you love fashion, watch YouTube videos about fashion in English. If you love cars, watch car videos in English. If you like cooking, watch cooking videos in English. This is a great way to learn. You can pick up new words, hear how people speak, and you can enjoy the video. Tip number 3, make friends who speak English or who are learning English. I know it's not easy to make new friends, but if you find people to talk to, your English will get better faster. You can join an English practice group in your city. You can also visit a website like meetup.com, where you'll find groups of people who want to practice English together. If you talk to other learners, you will feel better. You will feel more confident. You will learn faster. That's it for today. I hope this video helped you and gave you some motivation to keep going. Now, leave a comment and tell me, why are you learning English? I want to hear your story. Let's talk in the comments. I'll see you in the next video. Rainy day vibes. Today, I want to tell you about 6 things I like to do on a rainy day. When it rains, the sky is gray and everything is wet outside. Sometimes it feels sad or quiet, but there are many nice things you can do on a rainy day to feel happy and warm. 1. Reading a good book. Reading is one of my favorite things to do when it rains. Why? Because when it's dark and rainy outside, a good book can make me feel better. It helps me forget the bad weather. I sit down, relax, and read. It feels cozy and peaceful. One of my favorite books to read on a rainy day is Jane Eyre. It's a famous book with a strong and interesting story. I really enjoy it. 2. Visiting with friends. Sometimes on a rainy day, I go to my friend's house, or my friend comes to my house. We sit outside on the porch. That's the covered area in front of the house. Even if it's raining, we can sit there and stay dry. We talk about our lives. What's new? What's happening? And we drink something warm, like tea or hot cocoa. It feels really nice to talk and relax with a good friend. 3. I enjoy going to the movies. Another thing I like is going to the movie theater. When it's raining, it's a perfect time to watch movies. Sometimes we stay at the theater for the whole day. We watch 2 or 3 movies, maybe long ones. It's fun to be inside, watching stories while the rain falls outside. It feels like a little adventure without getting wet. 4. Redecorating my home. When I don't feel like going outside in the rain, I stay home. And sometimes I use this time to redecorate my house. That means I move things around, like the sofa, chairs, and tables. I also put pictures back on the wall or change how the room looks. I can't change the weather, but I can change how my home feels. This makes the rainy day more fun and creative. 5. Taking a quiet drive. If the rain is not too heavy, I sometimes go for a long drive. I drive on back roads. These are small, quiet roads with not many cars. I don't go fast. I just drive slowly and watch the rain. I look at the trees, the sky, and the houses. The rain makes everything look beautiful and calm. It's a peaceful way to enjoy the day. 6. Baking something warm and tasty. The last thing I love to do on a rainy day is bake. I cook something warm and delicious like a cake or a roast, a big meal with meat and vegetables. The smell of food fills the house. It feels warm, cozy, and happy. Cooking on a rainy day helps me feel better. It makes the house feel full of life and love. So those are 6 things I enjoy on a rainy day. Reading a good book, visiting with friends, going to the movies, redecorating my home, taking a quiet drive, baking something warm and tasty. What do you like to do on a rainy day? Tell me in the comments. See you in the next video.